Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Travel and Globe. First of all, thanks to all for subscribing my YouTube channel and thanks for your support. Today we are going to prepare spicy garlic chili chicken recipe. This recipe uses dry rub and quick glaze to deliver the bold kick without drying out meat. You can adjust the heat level easily by changing the amount of chilies. Today we are going to taste mouth-watering spicy chili chicken recipe. Perfect blend of chilies, garlic and savoring seasoning, making it ideal choice for everyone. An unforgettable flavor-packed meal. Ingredients needed for this chicken recipe: we need 500 grams of chicken boneless thigh pieces. For spicy we need ginger garlic paste, finely chopped tomatoes, fresh green coriander leaves, chopped onions. To make spicy, we are going to use Kashmiri chili powder 2 tablespoons, salt and oil. To make perfectly smooth spicy paste in a grinder mixer, we are going to use ginger garlic paste, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic, one large onion finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, cashew nuts. Also we are going to add fresh green coriander leaves finely chopped. Grind these all ingredients into perfectly smooth paste. Marinate the chicken pieces using freshly ground masala paste, also the dry turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder also. Always mix it with binding agent like yogurt or curd, or squeeze lemon juice to help it stick and tenderize the chicken pieces. The ground paste contains fresh onion, garlic and ginger. It needs to be cooked carefully so the raw paste doesn't burn before the chicken cooks through. Second step is to cook the ground paste made in the grinder. Heat a oil in a pan. On medium-low heat, add ginger garlic paste and stir it well. The blended raw paste or ground paste holds lot of water. You need to cook it thoroughly to develop rich flavor and avoid the raw taste. Keep ginger garlic paste moving across the pan using spatula. Stop frying the moment the raw smell disappears and paste turn light golden brown. Immediately add ground paste made in the grinder. Stir it well. As you add ground paste into hot oil, the mixture will bubble and steam heavily as the trap water evaporates. Stir frequently so it does not stick to the bottom. Once the heavy steaming stops, drop the heat to medium. Keep stirring the paste. It will begin to thicken, darken in color and shrink into the mass. Watch for the oil separation. The paste completely stops sticking to the pan. The tiny droplet of oil start separating out from the side of the masala. This step takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the oil separates and paste smell rich and cook, add fresh green coriander leaves and mix it well. At this stage, you can now add marinated chicken pieces. Add all chicken pieces into this masala. Toast and turn the chicken pieces continuously for 5 to 7 minutes so that every single piece gets completely wrapped into the cooked masala paste. Keep shooting until the pink color of raw chicken turns completely white and opaque on the outside. This sears the meat and chicken pieces in the juice. Stir continuously for about 5 minutes. At this stage, you can also add dried fenugreek leaves, which is known as kasuri methi. Kasuri methi or dried fenugreek leaves gives your curry restaurant style aroma. Rub the dry leaves briskly between your palms to crush them into fine powder as you sprinkle them into the pan. Stir the powder thoroughly into chicken and masala mixture. Let it cook for 30 seconds to allow the oil in the fenugreek to activate in the heat. Once the chicken is well coated and seared, you can add hot water to create gravy. Add 1.5 cup of hot water directly into the pan. Stir well, scraping off any delicious masala stuck to the bottom or side of the pan. Turn the heat down to low. Cover the pan tightly with lid. Let it cook undisturbed for 20 minutes. The chicken is ready when the meat cuts easily with spoon or begin slightly pull away from the bone. The beautiful layer of oil will float to the very top of the gravy. Before serving, sprinkle finely chopped fresh green coriander leaves and serve with steamed rice or chapati, also with naan or Indian flatbread, jawar or bajra roti. If you like this chicken recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Give this video a like, turn on notification bell and leave a comments below. Thank you for watching a video.